In 1459, when Pope Pius II passed by his native birthplace, a town once called Corsignano, and saw the terrible condition that was in, he decided to come back to the town and to rebuild it. But not just as any town, as an ideal Renaissance town, and to rename it after himself, Pienza, which translates as Pius's town. Pope Pius II hired the architect Bernardo Rossellino, who in fact was a henchman of the great Renaissance architect Leon Battista Alberti, to design and build what would be considered essentially that most perfect of towns, encompassing all of the main archetypes, or types of structures that then characterized Italian cities. And so we have the Cathedral of Pienza, because in fact this was the seat of a bishop. But it wasn't Pope Pius II who was serving as bishop of the city, but his close ally, Rodrigo Borgia, who would later go on to become Pope Alexander VII. And in fact, the other structure we have is the bishop's palace, which of course served as the seat of episcopal power. But we also have a domestic private structure, the Palazzo Piccolo Omni, which became the summer residence of Pope Pius II, and another structure, the Palazzo Comunale, which represented the civic aspect of the city of Pienza. All of this located in the heart of Tuscany, what I believe to be the most beautiful area of this region, and that is the surrounding Val d'Orcia. If you are in Tuscany, stop by Pienza, and you'll be blown away by the beauty of this ideal Renaissance city.